Good morning. God bless you, everyone. In 1991, I remember there was a release of a beautiful, amazing movie, Terminator 2. How many of you have seen that? Terminator 2. It changed the thinking of entire world. It was a step towards the topic which I'm going to share, and that is artificial intelligence. Right? And I still remember the picturization, the plot, especially the idea of the movie that was amazing, and still not a single movie could stand or could share the equality or the fame of this movie. This is my perception. I'm sure that others can think in the same way. A little back, I will move and will move towards 1950. There was a person who is still called the father of computer sciences. Might be you know him. His name is Alan Turing. And this person spent very short life on this planet. He was born in 1912 and left this earth in 1954. But in 1950, he wrote a very famous article, and the name was Can Computer Think? It was debated a lot. A lot of objections were there that how computers can think. And later it was considered, after his death, it was considered that computer can act like human beings. Then after his death, in 1956, artificial intelligence, what he introduced in his article was actually it became the part of academics, and still we are enjoying this artificial intelligence that is totally opposite to natural intelligence. And in our life we are experiencing it. We are from little things to big articles, objects we are using which are based on artificial intelligence, like from watch to car and so many other things like mobile. Whatever I am doing at the moment, I am taking help of this artificial intelligence. What we do in our life, we take help from this artificial intelligence. I still remember I visited a family when I was in school time. I saw the lady, she was grinding spices on the old, if you remember, the slab was used and a grinding stone was there, right? So I asked that lady that you have, and financially they were quite strong. And I said that why don't you use the machines? You have got the grinder, other things as well. She said, just forget about it. I don't like, this is work of your people, your age. I don't like this. And same attitude even today we show. Am I right or wrong? We do agree that artificial intelligence is need of the time. But when we have to use in our daily life, where we have to give little input of our own mind, that time we say that this is quite difficult, out of the way, out of the box we have to go, right? Because we love to enjoy life with others, artificial intelligences, those who are producing things for us. But when we have to do something by using our mind or utilizing this technology, that time we feel that no, it's quite difficult, because sometimes system pulls us out of the box, and we love to stay into that box because this is our mindset. As I said that I shared with you people before that I daily upload some words on my status. So on Saturday, when brother was taking meeting and he was just trying to encourage us to accept the change, although the words were not same, but whatever he was telling, few words were coming to my mind, that to accept change, the first thing that what we have to do, we have to change our mindset. This is the first thing. If we can do it successfully, we accept the change. Otherwise we grumble, we quit, we give up, we leave the job, we put blame on authorities, we put blame on others, like they are shaking us, they are pulling us out from the box. So this is the best thing, that we can quit from the system. We can go and adopt easy life as well. So the thing is that think about that we love to enjoy this artificial intelligence, right? Like I know that when I go back to home, I can't do anything without machines. If I have to go to my kitchen, I would take help from machines. If my family says out of the not in the routine time, out of the routine, they say that we want food, and I have to take out from first I will take out from refrigerator, isn't? And then I will put into the oven. I'm taking help from all this artificial intelligence. But when I have to use in my classroom, when I have to use for my students, that time I say that it's totally hell is created. We are in the hell. Why? Because we are told that use this intelligence. If you remember in the morning when children say this prayer and they say that enlighten our minds, do you believe that God Himself will come to enlighten their minds? Do you believe this? Never. He has sent agents. And who are these agents? You are the agents. I am the agent. We are the agent because for taking care of children, we say that God can't be everywhere. So He created mother to take care of children. So God cannot enlighten students' mind Himself. Yes, if He enlightens, that is another level, another stage. We cannot discuss that stage. But for knowledge, for information, He has created agents and we are the agents. So just think about that. Am I doing my work in that way that I'm enlightening their minds with knowledge, with updated knowledge? Nowadays, we hired so many people. Uh, can I ask that how many who are hired in September, August, September? Okay, one, two, three. One I met yesterday. Thank you. I did not. Whenever they came to my office for introduction and I did my part, I shared two things with them. I suggested to watch two movies, if I'm not wrong, right? I suggested to watch them Hitchki, which I have shown you 2-3 years back in a workshop. And then I always suggest to watch Super 30 as well. And the second task which I always give to them, they go through another agent of artificial intelligence and find out what is the minimum guy and maximum guy. And then try in your professional life that where you want to stand. What is your level as a professional? So I'm sure that I have created a thought in your mind that when students say this prayer, am I playing my role well? Am I doing well? I am really enlightening their minds with the updated knowledge, information, technology, which is already provided in our classroom in the school. And if we don't have, first we can create the need and then we can go with that request. And I'm sure that it will not be rejected. Thank you so much.